In this video, we're covering spring cleaning your concrete driveway. Moving to spring cleaning your concrete driveway, complete maintenance guide. Winter takes a toll on concrete driveways. Salt residue, freeze-thaw cycles, and debris accumulation need immediate attention in spring. Proper spring cleaning prevents damage, restores appearance, and prepares your driveway for the year ahead. This guide covers the exact steps to clean and maintain your driveway after winter. Next, why spring cleaning is critical. Salt residue remaining on surface, continuing to damage concrete. Also, addressing these issues immediately prevents long-term damage and keeps your driveway looking good. Moving to how to do it. Use a stiff broom, sweep the entire surface. Also, use a leaf blower for leaves and light debris. Pay attention to edges. Debris accumulates along edges and cracks. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.